Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Okay, let's take a look at the US dollar and see where we can find supply and demand areas. On the monthly, we have a level of supply that's been keeping price down, and as it's been down, there's also another level created right here, and there's a level created down here right here. So this is the range that we're looking at. Short up here, buy down here. And so back in June 2019, it made this bullish green candle, but it just did not have enough power to go up any higher, and so we cannot buy up here. Plus we have this floating EMA line that's been keeping price down, so we do not want to buy right here because price is making a lower move to the downside. Okay, so it made these big red candles. Only made one. It made 1, 2, 3, 4 big red candles and only made one green candle, and this big red candle is engulfing this green candle, so signaling us that price is going to the downside, making a further move to the downside to this area of demand on the monthly. On the weekly, we have the same thing, but I don't like this price action here. This price action is really bad. It's this really slow move to the downside. I don't really like that at all. Okay, so we do not want to go long even on here, and same thing with on the weekly that we saw on the monthly. It made this bullish move, but then got engulfed by this weekly bearish candle. So we do not want to buy here. All this is just signaling to us that it's going to go lower here. But this area is where we want to buy, but it's been tested already. So if it does make a big drop down here, we may need to wait for validation because all these area has been tested already. Then on the daily, we see that there's a level of demand right here. And someone who's new to trading may think that, oh, this is a really good area to buy because this is a strong area of demand that's going to go up. But I'm making the case not to buy down here. I'm definitely not buying down here because, as we can see, our two higher time frames are telling us not to go long, to at least go short or go long down here. And so that is what is telling us. Both our higher time frames are telling us to short. So there's no way that we want to buy here because as we can see, there's already a bearish engulfing candle on this bullish candle already, so signifying to us that price is going to go lower. So I would not want to buy right there. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we have a level of demand again right here. This level is the same as this one, and so if we're not buying up here, we're definitely not buying down here, because once price comes back down here, it's just gonna crash right through it. Can this level work? Sure, it can work for a few pips, but we're not looking to capture a few pips. We're looking to swing for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, whatever it takes to get us to our profit target potential. And we do not have any target profit potential until price gets down here, and we wanted to move back up here. Okay, so that's what we're trading for. We're catching more than just a few pips, because what we want to do is we want to risk 1% and make 3%. And so yeah, that's the plan. And this is from here to here is not 3%. It's only 2 at least, only 2 or 2 and 2.3 or so. And plus, but then if we follow our supply and demand rules, there's no way that we are allowed to trade this zone anyways, just because like I said earlier, our two higher time frames are pointing to the downside, so it prohibits us from taking the trade. Okay, so we do not want to trade this zone, and we do not want to trade this zone, just because both our higher time frames are preventing us from doing that. Okay, all right, that is the analysis on the US dollar. I hope this helps you in your trading analysis on this Forex pair, very popular Forex pair. And I hope you the best in your trading career, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.